Yo, what is going on with y'all boys today? Today, I'm going to be combining every single optimization I've ever made into one video. So basically, my friend has a 1650, right? And I made his FPS go from 150 all the way to 220, bro. This shit really works and it's free. Guaranteed at least 100, 200 FPS increase. So basically, first what you want to do, it will make your game a little bit like stretchy. So you want to click Windows R. We're gonna go to our game user settings of Fortnite. You're gonna do percent local app data percent enter. Once you're in here, you're going to want to find Fortnite game. So basically, once you find it, you're gonna open it, saved, config, Windows client, game user settings. So you're gonna right click, show more options, edit. Once you're in here, we're going to scroll all the way down till you find specifically these these four numbers right here. So that depends on what resolution you want. Like if you want Peterbots, that's 1720 by 1080. If you want mine, it's 1650 by 1080. So I'm gonna do 1650. So you're gonna go here, do 1650 by 1080, 1650 by 1080. You're gonna want to save it and replace it and close it. And once you do, you're gonna go to properties. Make sure read only is checked so Fortnite I can't change it. And then click done. Once you do that, you want to right click, go to show more options, open NVIDIA control panel, and then it will take a second for it to open. And then once it is open, you want to go to change resolution, go to customize, create new resolution. Make sure you don't like edit this like I am, because I have 100 hertz. So I'm gonna do 1650 by 1080. I'm gonna test it out. Your screen will go black, so like just don't worry. And then do yes. Screen will flicker. So like just ignore it. Alright. Then once you have that, just apply the resolution when you're done. And also make sure you go to, like when you have it applied, go to adjust, not now. You want to go to adjust desktop size and portion. Set it to the resolution. Make sure it's on GPU. And then do full screen and then click enable. Make sure your refresh rate is 100 or whatever you have. And then once you apply it, you can open Fortnite and do that. And then, alright, since we have done that, next thing we're going to want to do, open up our Epic Games Launcher. And what the heck? You want to go to library. Click on 3 dots. Options. Make sure only core battle royale and pre-download stream assets are on. This is just like higher resolution, and this is you have to have it purchased. But once you do that, just enable those, and then you're good. And the next, what you actually want to do, go back into your display settings, depending on your monitors. You want to scroll down, go to advanced display. See it says 60. You want to change it to 100 or whatever you have, so it feels smoother and it has a faster response time. I only have 60 for this one, but yeah. Once you have changed that, it should feel smoother. You want to right click, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. I know we just opened it. And then once you opened it, you want to go to adjust image settings with preview. Use my preference emphasizing. Make sure to set the performance, because look, you can tell that's like crisp. That isn't crisp. And then go to take me there. I will drop my NVIDIA Profile Inspector thing in the Discord. So if you want it, just go in there. My settings are off, 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 all. Before our system feedback, off, off, ultra, off, off, auto. GPU for OpenGL, power management set that to prefer maximum performance, highest available for refresh rate, shader cache unlimited, on allow high performance, on off off, one off auto. Once you do that, you can go. This will just like make your screen poppy, but go to adjust desktop color settings. Look, you could tell like your screen starts to get darker and then more poppy the higher you set it. Me personally, I set it to like, let's just say like 96. You can tell there's a little bit of a difference, but yeah. I already have all the changes, so just apply that. The screen will go back for a second or freeze. Alright, so once you do that, you want to go to the Discord server, which will be linked in the description. Go to my Discord server, ZachFN Community. As you can see, it boosted him, but there's more tweaks. You got to go to downloads, download the CPU optimization pack, and the Ultimate Windows Maintenance Guide. So we're gonna start with these. Once you downloaded it, go into File Explorer, drag it to your desktop. You're gonna go find it. I have it somewhere in here. Yeah, I probably have to reinstall these. Like download. Once you downloaded those, goes out of that. Put them. Oh, I already have them on here. I'm so fucking dumb. But yeah. Once like you extract it, you'll basically just like have these two things. So once you have them, you want to open Intelligent Standby Cleaner ISSE. Depending on your total system memory, you want to set it to how much memory you have in here, which I have 48,000, and the free memory is 2,800. So I'm gonna set it to like 4,000, and then make sure you do purge standby list. So what that does is when you open like task manager, you go to performance. See how my tasks are so high right now? It's making sure the percentage and stuff goes down. Now I have it frees up memory basically, so I can set it to like 16,000. And then once you do that, you go to minimum one timer resolution, do that to 5, and then remove the 1 to 0. Enable custom timer resolution, and then start. Yeah. It basically like helps your system have more free memory for like games and stuff. As you can see, there's only like 10% utilization, but whatever it says. But yeah, as you can see in memory, available 30 gigabytes. We're using 16 for this. You just leave that open in the background. Once that open, this is admin. This will pop up. Be careful when you're using this. Do not close anything that says Microsoft Cooperation. These are all of your tasks, like NV container. I'm not using that. Close process tree. And then steam.exe. You can close that. Not using Chrome. You can kill that. BlueStacks, not using that. I'm using this. I'm not using Discord anymore. You can close that. Epic Launcher, not using that. I don't know why this kept opening. It's because I probably have NVIDIA installed. We're gonna want to just uninstall that. Search a video. If you do have the app, it will like do something. Like it will just activate. So just basically uninstall it. Yeah, and it will close. So anything you're not using, just close it. Like I'm not using widgets. So yeah, Photoshop, I'm not using. Kill process tree. Remember, it was at like 220. Not using rain meter. But yeah, I'm not using display. No, I'm not gonna put my started. Once you kill that, just kill anything that's like in video. Just not. Do not close this at all, because if you close it, your system's cooked. All right, now go to Task Manager. CPU. Look, see how much processes went down? Especially, bro. Like, it works. It was just at 220, and now it's, like, went down by 100. And so, if you, like... Okay, I'm not using Afterburner. Okay, drag that over here. Just make a file, and set it to games, or whatever. Just set, like, your games, all that, in it. Let me block glass, Curious Mod, Unity. Yeah. And then, yeah. You're basically good then. Like, once you do that. So basically, once you do that, you're gonna make sure you clear out your recycle bin. So, like, if you're in the storage. Alright. Once you do that, you're gonna want to go to your file. You're gonna see all this. Delete the readme. Delete the, readme. What you're gonna want to do, make sure you allow the scripts. And this only works on Windows, by the way. Alright, go to check. Space check. Make sure you have 10% space available. It'll check. I have 13. See. Let's. And then goes RAM check. Install CPU-Z. That I already had. So I don't know why it won't open. GPU check. It just checks your system basically. BIOS update. I haven't not done this yet. Okay. And then BIOS settings. Make sure you take a picture of this on your phone. Or whatever else device. Alright. Once you do that, that's like just testing all this. I already did. So refresh. This is like if you restart your PC. If you want to. Factory reset, account, reinstall, network driver, BIOS, all that. This is only if you want to. And it's setup. Once you do that, like you can change it to Pro. And you could do like there's activation keys. Like if you want to buy some, activate, time, remember sync, sign in info. So go to map updates. This is only for Windows 11. Make sure they're off. And in startup apps, make sure everything is off. Okay, background apps, that's for Windows 10, but I think you can still turn it off. And then Edge updates, I already have it installed. Just make sure they're off. And then store updates, make sure everything's off. Windows update pause. Pause for 1 week or however long you want. And then installers. If you want Afterburner, if you don't have it installed, you can do that. Spotify, go to installers. You can get all that. Like, yeah. Let's say I want Valorant, right? Just do 17. And it basically just installs Valorant for you, man. Like, see how easy that is? Graphics. AMD, do this. I don't know how to, I don't really want to fuck with this, man. NVIDIA driver, I just uninstalled the app, but I already updated them recently. And in NVIDIA settings, set that to on. You're gonna want to, make sure, like, once you're, like, you know, in my server, all that, it'll basically just put all the best settings on your computer, as y'all see. But, okay, once you do that, resolution, refresh rate, you're just gonna want to go all the way down on both monitors, you know, advanced display, I already told you all this. And then, yeah, once you do that, you want to go to HAGS window, make sure this is on if you want advanced graphics, turn that on. Add desktop app, that is this PC, OpenDC, program files, what's it, big, yeah, it'd be an 86, yeah, my bad. It's in OpenDC, Fortnite game, binaries, 164, do that, click on it, high performance, alright, close that, sound, I don't really know how to do this shit, like for the sound. MSI mode, turn that on. DirectX, basically, just do the most recent thing. By the way, if you do want the driver, for NVIDIA, profile inspector, I do have it in my Discord right here. Westrix profile.nip. And while that's on, do C++. I'll basically install the recent drivers. So yeah, once all of those are installed, basically gonna run everything. Make sure your Windows is updated. It'll basically make your computer way, way faster. And yeah, just let that run in the background. And then once you've done that, get out of graphics, go to Windows, start menu taskbar, clean. Like that. Translucent TV. Never mind. Okay. So all of them are installed, basically, almost. Okay. And go to Windows. Once you do that, shortcuts. I don't use this, like, okay. I don't use Afterburner. I don't use this. Startup. Zoom. Don't use that. And then once you do that, you're good. I open it in the other. See, startup. 7-zip. Don't use that. BlueStacks. Don't use that. Let's View. Don't use that. Voice mod. Don't use that. That don't use. And then to Exoag, I don't use that. It doesn't work. And then I don't use these. Which do that. Empty out recycle bin. And then yeah. basically cleared up a little bit of storage. Copilot, turn that off. Widgets, turn that off. Game mode, turn that on. Game bar, turn it off. Only use it if you're playing Xbox with your friends or some shit. Alright. And then pointer position. Just make sure whatever you want to do, like that'll be faster or whatever. And scaling. Make sure that's on. Whatever you prefer. Power plan. You want to have that to on. Timer resolution on. Yeah, and then once you do that, oh my god, I accidentally closed it out. Once you're in Windows, Core isolation, only works for Windows 11. Make sure it's on. Registry, so optimize it. Sound out lock screen. Turn that on. Edge, uninstall that bitch. Bloatware. Yeah, don't use. I use these, so if you want to install it, you can. Yeah, I pretty much already did the bloatware shit. Auto runs. That's like all of your shit. And then clean up. Cleans up your C drive. And then just make sure everything's checked. And just wait. And then hardware, mouse optimization. See, like toggle catch up. Yeah. You could just do E L S minus C L 1 9 6 5 4 3 5. Yeah, feels the best for me. This is like a monitor 1080, that would be 400. Is 100%. Mouse pawing rate. Shows how much hertz it is. First rate is 100. Yeah, you gotta have it like full screen. See ya. Yeah. You find find your mouse. I have a Logitech, but I forget which one. G305. I have a G305, but G Pro. Yeah, I really don't know what it is. G305. Yeah, it just shows like mouse reviews. Yeah, control. I'll use a controller. Keyboard wait and see. My shit probably won't be on there. Yeah, see 50 FPS. 100 FPS. Oh, I actually see that. Whoa. This is basically my internet. Just basically testing it. As you see, it's warming up the speed. Basically, shows how fast your internet is. It's like the routers. Let's see. Why is it taking forever? God damn it. Just gonna leave that in the background. PC build guide. Not building a PC. Alright, 8. Network adapter. Net probably will not go out. And then HDCP. Off. On. 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 Keyboard shortcuts. Off. Security. On. That'll put you in safe mode, so. Updates. Services. No. That is a bitch. $100. And then you're done with that. Once you do that, you open PowerShell. Admin. See, it cleared up a lot. So, you gotta go here. You gotta go here. Put in command. Put it in description. It'll open this. Once you're in here, you can get programs, whatever you want from here. Microsoft tools, all that bullshit. Oh, advanced IP scanner. I might need that. Tweaks. Standard. Be careful when you do this. Because if probably will mess up your PC if you like do advanced, but I know what I'm doing. Run tweaks. Man. Sorry if I'm a little sad, chat. My girlfriend just tried doing something to herself. But, yeah, I'm sorry. So it will basically just do this shit. And then, let's do that, make sure, let's do, exit out a bit. I mean, shit. I did want to get something. Let me just do a little bit of, yeah. Bet. Whoa, shit. Shit. Good thing I'm using a VPN though. Yeah, that's good. IP scanner. Kind of need that for a lot of reasons, so. Alright, so once you do that, you go to Fortnite. Well, after you restart your PC, though, you guys got to do that. Once I'm in Epic Games, you just launch the game as normal. Will take a bit, that's for sure. Alright, man, the game's launching. Just waiting, just waiting. Man, this game takes so long. Alright, man. Just set it to the lowest settings on Fortnite, to be honest. So, yeah. Once you win your BIOS, by the way, after you go to, system, wait, no, yeah. Settings. System. What is it? Recovery. Gotta do advanced startup, go to BIOS. Enable XMP, DOCP, or Expo to get the full speed out of your RAM. But yeah. Of course, nice having y'all in this video, bro. If y'all actually stayed all the way, comment a peach emoji, I guess. Alright. Peace out.